Where's that?
Southwest.
Oh. Okay.
Kind of bright. Did you freaking see what I just saw?
Yeah.
Did it just go from there to all the way near that tree in like a millisecond?
I thought there was a power flash over there too.
Yeah.
Possible.
That's a pretty big distance. Like 20 miles. That could have been a power flash.
Thunder's coming from that way.
I can't see.
I can. I wasn't looking.
Freaking. I don't know what bugs are making those sounds, but my ears are hurting.
Have we seen?
Okay.
And as I was saying, we haven't seen the end of these. We're gonna have to sooner or later.
Yeah, because actually the main parts started to move into those trees, and then we can shift over to the southwest. I think the main part actually has moved to over the trees. Might have to shift viewing points here soon. That was cool. Thank you. He stopped. Better not start again.
I hear it. I just don't see it.
There's the car? Yeah.
Oh, great.
Ouch. Other direction. Okay. Okay. I've heard that there's a website where you can actually go on and like design your own decals to put on cars.
Oh.
Ah.
Yeah, we're gonna have to change.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to shift here soon. And you can order it, and then they send it to you, and you put it on yourself. And I think it'd be really cool if we could design one that said lightning rod, and another one that said, what do you say, the Rainmaker?
I don't know if I really want to. I'll have to think of
something more stormy.
Yeah, but usually when we take the truck, it usually rains hard. So I don't know.
Oh, that might be fitting then. Freaking. I don't know what bug it is.
Oh, that was good. Fly the clouds in the back. Or in the
it must have been. That's one of the loudest thunders I've heard in a while. There's that monkey again. Oh my good God.
I got that.
The trees would have been there, that'd have been even more amazing. Okay.
What about that?
I can't face a freaking direction. My ears is ringing.
Ooh. Alright, time to switch. Actually, no.
Is it?
Time to go check my phone.
Okay, you can do that. I don't know what I'm going to do.
You getting a light?
Oh! Of course I stayed in the right direction, actually. Hope you saw that.
I did. Nothing. Okay.
For the second being. I'm going to have to start referring to the lightning rod in my video comments.
Where do I want to face? Let's see.
Because right now the lightning rod has about 115 miles left on its current tank. So we should be good.
Oh.
Cone of silence. Dude, really, like, that was...
Behind you.
That was over there. And now it's moved this way.
Look at that weird looking cloud, you can kind of see it.
Yeah, I know. So now that this open spot is like right over us, where you can see the stars. If you look straight up, you can see the stars. It's like kind of the eye, if it were a hurricane. So basically, I guess it could be considered the cone of silence. I'm scared. Not really.
I'm gonna watch over here, sit down.
Okay, that was cool. Nice. Really?
I honestly think this thing here died.
I'll have to check that. Do you think it's still?
Yeah, because it's less frequent.
Yeah, but still. Maybe less frequent, but the lightning's still pretty intense. I'm gonna go ahead and check that while I'm recording. Let's see what it is now. I'll just face it this way. It says we're in Centerville.
No, we're not.
That's not right. It's loading. Okay, well, we're technically right there then because the arrow's in the wrong place. Dude, it has died. You can actually see it if I replay the loop. How frequent it is. There's only been one volt in the last 2 minutes, it says, from southwest now. But the east still has a ton. They're just over those trees now.
Well, that just sucks.
Little bit.
I was prepared for another one. And
It
what
is
did I stopped to take a break for no reason. That's annoying.
It is a perfect 72 degrees out, but yeah, you can see how that thing just fell apart in the southwest on the radar. It went from a red dot to splitting up into
3.
Yeah, that was freaking awesome.
It's still pretty dark out there.
Yeah.
It's darker than normal.
Well, these scattered storms all over Indiana have been building up and then dying down and then building back up and dying down all day today, so I don't know.
I'm not seeing very many bolts coming out of that way anymore.
That cloud is really messed up.
Yeah, a little bit.
I saw a bolt while you were looking away and it was awesome. Of course, there'll be another car. Just gonna walk back this way. That was cool. Ow. Okay. The grass poked me in. Oh! Okay, you did not see that. But that was as close as that one bolt was over there.
Maybe I came before.
Yeah. And it was right there. It was like an upside down L shape.
Weird.
Oh my gosh.
Chances of me seeing another bolt